My way is to get back control of the game, to wrestle control of the game, is to be brave enough to pass the ball more. Not necessarily to even pass it to look to score the next goal, to pass it to get a control in the game, to get a foothold back in the game. And generally speaking, if you get a foothold back in the game, you win control, there's a better chance of going on to win. Which, to be fair, the boys did really well today.
Yeah.
But what's clear is this is the biggest club in the league.
Yeah.
And so to play for Leatherhead, it's not only having the ability to play for Leatherhead, it's the personality and the characteristics to cope with. You have to win. I have a saying that, whatever happens out there, I joke with them, Saturday night I go and have a beer, Sunday morning I'll have a hangover, and Monday I go to work.
Yeah.
Whether you win, whether you lose or whether you draw, that's what you're going to do. So play without fear. It's only football. We're not in a level of football where our mortgages depend on it.
Yeah.
You're in a level of football where you can enjoy it. So sometimes I think in non-league football there's a fear. There's a fear of playing the right way. Let's keep the ball as far away from our goal as we can, because then the opponents are not going to score. That's not me.
No.
I want them to play proper football. I want them to win the right way.
Yeah.
And if at times the goalkeeper gives it to the centre half and the centre half loses the ball and we lose 1-0, I'll take that.
Yeah.
Because there's a bigger picture in team building, which I think we're beginning to see now. I liken football management to a jigsaw puzzle.
Yeah.
So I'm the one that's building the puzzle, so I've got to put the right pieces in the right places. And so I have a very clear identity. Everybody knows me in football, everybody knows the way that I play. But there's no point in me having that idea of football if the players can't execute the idea on the pitch.
Yeah.
So it's just putting the right personality and the right quality in the right areas, and then building a team ethic to take us forward. So really, it's about building that jigsaw in answer to your question. When you play the way that we do, people will often say to me, what's the plan B?
Yeah.
I joke that plan A is to pass the ball, as you've seen.
Yeah.
If it doesn't work, plan B is to pass the ball better than plan A. The real plan, often, only people appreciate if they understand football. The real plan is it's a change of shape to either nullify the problem or to expose a weakness that we've seen with the opponents. So I think the key to football management is having the ability in the in-game management to either problem solve or identify that's where you can capitalise, which can probably mean just changing shape. The way that I see it is, I say to the players all the time, the most creative players on the pitch have got to be the centre half and the big line midfield players to make sure in the first phase of play we're out. Best defenders have got to be the 9, the 10, the 7 and the 11. Because if not the best defenders, then we can't press it high, we can't win it high, we can't play high up the pitch. I think the days of the number 10 being luxury players, they've gone.
Yeah.
Those players have got to be the best defenders. Yeah. That is a mentality that you have to install into the group. Because if I'm that guy that is really important to the team without the ball, and it generally comes with the number 8s. The number 8s, even when we're flying forward, they coach to position themselves in transition just in case we lose it.
Yeah.
If you're that player that is selfless for the team, and the 9, the 10, the 7, and the 11 are strolling around, there's issues. But if the best players, technically, are the hardest working players, suddenly your team becomes very, very difficult to beat. So if I play against you, for example, and we've got 80% of the ball and we're completely bossing the game, and then you win the ball, and then suddenly we've got it back straight away, it's demoralising for the opponent.
Yes.
Sometimes in football, the best players feel as though they can stroll around. So that gives the opponent the opportunity to get out and impose themselves on us. If the idea clearly, as it is here, that the 9, the 10, the 7 and the 11 has got to be the best defenders, and they set a trend throughout the whole team, that becomes very difficult to play against. Because if you don't accept it, then you'll create fear with the players. And it's horses for courses. The way these guys are coached is they're coached to pass the ball to win, and they're coached to pass the ball to see games out. So they're coached to pass the ball to win the game, to get at the opponent, to get ahead. And with 20 minutes to go, if they're winning 1-0, then they don't play with fear. They understand, they keep pressing and pressing like we said. But when we have the ball, with 10 minutes to go and it's 1-0, it's not fly forward for 2-0 and the pitch is open. It's you rest with the ball. You pass the ball to rest, and wind the ball down and wind the. And then if you play 100 miles an hour, you can't do that. But if you pass the ball to rest, you lose the ball again. You're 1-0 up with 5 minutes to go. It's back. You're still now. They can't get to you. It's just a different idea of football.